Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create and sell Canva templates in 2025. This is a great way to earn passive income with simple design skills. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to come at canva.com and then log in into your account. Over here on your Canva dashboard, you will see a bunch of different templates that you can create. So here you need to decide what type of template you want to create. If you want me to share some of the popular options, so I would say Instagram posts, business cards, workbooks and planners, Pinterest pins and resume templates. So here, let's say you want to design the social media posts. So simply click on social media and here you can select which post you want to design. Let's say in social media you want to design the Instagram post. So you need to simply select that and you will be landed on this type of canvas here. Now, if you just hover over to the left hand section and click on the design option, you will see a bunch of different pre-made designs that you can just click and add in your canvas. You can select furthermore by scrolling down and here you will see a bunch of different designs that you can just simply click and add in your canvas just like so. Make sure that if you are using a free version of Canva, it is not have this type of icon because this is for free. So let's say you want to select this particular type of template. So after selecting it, you can just add any other text into it, any other icon or elements into it. In order to add the text, simply go to the text section, click on the add a text option and you can add further text over here. If you want to add any elements into it, simply hover over to the left hand section, click on elements, type the elements that you want to add and then click on the element and you can adjust it just like so. Now you can use the text boxes, placeholders, grouped elements so that buyers can easily customize the template after the purchase. Make sure that you avoid any kind of over designing or because simplicity sells. So once you are ready with your designs, simply click on the share option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then click on the download option and you can download the PNG format. You can even just create a link for it and with the help of that link you can create a PDF section and then you can share it on your social media bio. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.